In this age of remote working, understanding can quickly and easily get lost. At FarLoop, we have the answer. Introducing the revolutionary video conferencing plugin that's instantly transforming business meetings everywhere. Built on millions of data points gathered from thousands of actual business meetings, FarLoop's R&D department have harnessed the power of artificial intelligence for real-time translation. International meetings? Bring them on! Now everyone speaks everyone's language. Our subtitles instantly clarify what's being said in 32 foreign languages. Tricky regional accents? No problem. With 200,000 plus variations in our database, with every "I reckon that's the champion," FarLoop makes even more sense. That's incredible. But at FarLoop, we go beyond incredible. New for 2021 is the FarLoop B2B upgrade. Lost with technical lingo? Confused with acronyms? FarLoop makes sense of them all, turning the seemingly incomprehensible into plain, easy-to-understand English. So, when someone says they're looking for you to be agile on your costs, you know what they want. And when the conversation is about shifting the paradigm, you can see what's really being said. And when your boss says, "LBH, I hear what you're saying on the CPC and the CR, but this is MBD. We'll open the kimono and LNK the result," you can be sure we've got it. Really want to know what's being said in business meetings? FarLoop makes real business sense.